Hi everyone, I'm Amy. I'm a physiotherapist at Proactive Pelvic Health Center, and today I'm continuing my series on the relaxation response. So as a review, eliciting the relaxation response can counteract the negative effects of the stress response on the body and mind. This can be helpful for decreasing fatigue, pain, depression, anxiety, sleep disturbances, and more. The first technique we discussed in the last video was meditation, and today I wanted to touch on breathing exercises as a method for eliciting the relaxation response. Focusing your attention on breathing and specifically slowing the breath rate down can increase parasympathetic nervous system drive and reduce the fight or flight response. There's many different deep breathing techniques, but today specifically I wanted to talk about alternate nostril breathing. It's really easy to do. You can do it anywhere. Ideally, you're just in like a supported position so that you can relax and focus on your breathing, and you can close your eyes if you like. So all it involves is just using one hand. You're going to use your thumb and one finger to alternate closing and opening the nostrils on either side so that you're breathing in on one side, switching, and then breathing out on the other. So as an example, I would start by closing my left nostril, breathing in through my right, switching to close my right, and then breathing out on my left. And then I would just repeat that process, but doing it the opposite way. So breathe in on my left, close, switch, and breathe out on my right. So it takes a little bit of practice to get the coordination of, but again, it's really easy. You can do it anywhere and everywhere, and it's a good way of eliciting the relaxation response to increase that parasympathetic drive.